17, question number 17, R.S. Agarwal, 1 plus tan square theta 1 plus cot square theta, that's you have to prove 1 minus tan theta by 1 minus cot theta whole square, that's equals to tan square theta. That we have to prove, means this equal to tan square theta, this equal to tan square theta. So first come to LHS. LHS is given 1 plus tan square theta by 1 plus cot square theta, that's equals to 1 plus tan square theta by 1 plus 1 by tan square theta, that's equal to 1 plus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta divided by tan square theta, that's equals to, if we multiply it, we get this will be cancelled and we are getting tan square theta. Okay, this is the from the first. Next, second LHS, this is equal to RHS. Next one, second LHS, and LHS 1 minus tan theta 1 minus cot theta whole square, that's equal to 1 minus tan theta by 1 minus 1 by tan theta, that's whole square. Okay, that's equals to 1 minus tan theta by tan theta minus 1, that's whole square, so that's equals to 1 minus tan theta by 1 minute, that's equals to 1 minus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta, here should be 1 minus is given. Okay, and the LCM tan theta should be multiplied here, again 1 tan theta should be multiplied here, now bracket should be come here, hope we are able to see it. Okay, tan cube square. Okay, so now this can be cancelled, so that's equals to minus tan theta whole square, that's equals to tan square theta, that's equal to the RHS. Okay, next move to another question. Question number 18, 2 number question. 1 minus tan square theta by cot square theta minus 1, that's we have to show that tan square theta. It is also very easy question. You have to just make it that cot square theta is equal to 1 by tan square theta, then you will get the answer. So it's a very easy question. Next move to another question. Question number 19. Question number 19, 1. What is given? Tan theta by sec theta minus 1 plus tan theta by sec theta plus 1 equal to 2 cosec theta, that we have to prove. So first come the LHS, tan theta by sec theta minus 1 by tan theta by sec theta plus 1, this is sec square theta minus 1. Okay, and this can be written as tan theta into sec theta plus 1 plus tan theta sec theta minus 1. Okay, tan theta sec theta plus tan theta plus tan theta sec theta minus tan theta divided by sec square theta minus 1 means tan square theta. Understood? So this can be cancelled. Now this is 2 sec theta tan theta by tan square theta. Tan cancelled, so that means 2 sec theta into tan theta. sec theta cot theta. That means 2 sec theta by tan theta. That's implying 2 into sec theta means sec theta means 1 by cos theta into sin by cos, that is cos theta by sin theta. Okay, this cos should be cancelled, so we are getting 2 by sin theta, that's equal to 2 cosec theta. Okay, that's equal to the RHS proved. Understood? Next, move to another question, that is question number 2, question 19.2, quite similar. Next, come to question number 20. Question number 20, question number 1 I am taking, question number 2 I am taking, 20 question number 2. Now here sec theta minus tan theta by sec theta plus tan theta, that's equals to cos square theta by 1 plus sin theta whole square. LHS sec theta minus tan theta, sec theta plus tan theta. Okay, so this is the LHS. So this sec theta means 1 by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta, by this means 1 by cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta. So that's equals to cos theta minus sin theta and cos theta plus sin theta. Now again I am taking the RHS. RHS is given cos square theta by 1 plus sin theta whole square. Now cos square theta means 1 minus sin square theta, by this is 1 plus sin theta whole square. This is 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta. This is 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta. This can be cancelled out, so we are getting 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. Okay, now from here if we take cos theta common, if we calculate here, this is 1 should become 1, this is 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta. So this is the LHS, this is the RHS, so you can say that LHS equal to RHS proved. Okay, next come to question number 21. What is given? Sin theta by cot theta plus cosec theta minus sin theta by cot theta minus cosec theta, that's equal to 2. We have to show that. So this is the LHS. We should start from here. This would be cot square theta minus cosec square theta. This is cot square theta. This is sin square, not sin theta into cot theta minus cosec theta minus sin theta cot theta plus cosec theta. Okay, so here this is sin theta cot theta minus sin theta cosec theta minus sin theta cot theta minus sin theta so here if we do the calculations, again I am doing that sin theta into cot theta minus cosec theta. Okay, so this is sin theta into cosec theta, okay, divided by this can be written as minus cos square theta minus cot square theta. Hope you will able to understood it. Now sin theta cot theta should be cancelled. This is negative, so this is 2 sin theta cosec theta by minus 1, minus cancel out, sin theta cosec theta means 1, so sin theta should be cancelled out to cosec theta, so that's equal to 2. So this is the RHS. Next move to another question, question number 22. Question number 22, 2 sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta minus cos theta plus sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta, that's equal to, we have to show that 2 by 1 minus 2 cos square theta. Now first take LHS, sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta. Sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta plus cos theta, this equal to sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square, this square, this should be whole square. Okay, this equals to sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta. This is sin square theta minus cos square theta. Now this can be written as 2 minus 2 sin theta cos theta. This can be written as this simply cancel out, 2 sin theta cos theta will be cancel out, so this can be written as only 1. This is sin square theta plus cos square theta, that's equal to 1 plus 1 in numerator, and denominator it can be written as 1 minus cos square theta minus cos square theta. So that can be written as this is 2, this is 1 minus 2 cos square theta, and that's equal to the RHS. Okay, next move to another question, that is question number 22 is done. Question number 22 is done. Next move to question number 23 cos cube theta plus sin cube theta by cos theta plus sin theta plus cos cube theta minus sin cube theta by cos theta minus sin theta, that's we have to show that that's equals to 2. So this is the LHS. We should start from here. Taking the LCM first. If we take the LCM, this is equal to written as cos square theta minus sin square theta. This is cos cube theta plus sin cube theta into cos theta minus sin theta plus cos cube theta minus sin cube theta cos theta plus sin theta. Okay, now cos to the power 4 theta sin cube theta cos theta minus cos cube theta sin theta minus sin to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta minus sin cube theta cos theta plus sin theta cos cube theta minus sin to the power 4 theta. Now divided by this equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, now this equals to cos to the power 4, so 2 cos to the power 4 theta plus sin cube cos theta, that should be cancelled. Next cos cube sin theta, that should be cancelled. So sin 2 cos to the power 4 theta minus 2 sin to the power 4 theta by cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, now from here taking 2 common, cos square theta plus sin square theta cos square theta minus sin square theta by cos square theta minus sin square theta. This can be cancelled out. 2 into 1, that's equal to 2, and that's equal to the RHS. So this is my LHS, RHS. Next, move to question number 24. 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta whole square, that's equal to 2 into 1 plus cos theta 1 minus sin theta. Now here if we do the calculations, that is LHS 1 minus sin theta whole square plus 2 cos theta into 1 minus sin theta plus cos square theta. This is 1 minus 2 sin theta plus sin square theta, 2 cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta. So 1 sin square theta plus cos square theta, that's equal to plus 1 minus 2 sin theta plus 2 cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta, that's equals to 2 minus 2 sin theta plus cos theta 2 cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta. Taking 2 common, we are getting 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. Now this is 2, this is again 1 minus sin theta plus taking cos theta common, 1 minus sin theta, 2 1 minus sin theta, this is 1 plus cos theta, and that's equals to RHS proved. Okay, Next, coming to the last math of this page, page number 3115, 315, this math, CBSE 2013. So this is question number 25. LHS is given 1 plus cos theta minus sin square theta by sin theta 1 plus cos theta. Okay, that we have to given, that we have to make cot theta. So I am not writing LHS, I am just showing from here. So that's equals to, this is 1 plus cos theta minus sin square theta, 1 plus cos theta minus 1 minus cos square theta by sin theta 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta minus 1 plus cos square theta by sin theta 1 plus cos theta. This can be cancelled out. We are taking cos theta as common. This is 1 plus cos theta by sin theta 1 plus cos theta. This can be cancelled out. That's equal to how much? Cos theta, and that's equal to the RHS. Proved. Okay, so that's it for in this video. We will come and join some more videos related to the solution of EX7A trigonometric identities. Okay, next. Okay, so till then, please support me. Please do subscribe my channel. Please watch my video full length, and if you have any problem regarding the understanding, please comment me in my comment box. But please subscribe my channel and please support me. Okay, and please share this video. Thank you.